Did you find some eggs, Will?
Yeah, let's eat. Sure did.
Ooh.
I guess there's one in here. More eggs.
More eggs.
I had to get this. More eggs. Ooh, here's some eggs. Here, you take that one. I'll take this one.
Did you get more eggs? Will, look over there.
Look. Look, an egg. No, that one.
Well, put it in your basket.
One of the eggs are these, Mama?
No, your special egg is gold, not yellow.
Here's the basket.
Okay, get your basket.
Come on, let's go.
Get your basket. Go with Sissy.
Come on, let's go.
Go with Rachel. Go with Rachel. Did you find some eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a car.
Yeah, you got a car too. Mommy shouldn't have given you that car. Oh, you find another one?
Look in here, William. I found one.
Is it stuck? Do you need help? Oh, there it goes. Uh-oh. Oops. It's okay, buddy. Just get your egg. We'll pick up the rest later.
Hey, look, William. More.
More, yeah.
Ooh, William found one of his eggs crushed in the...
Oh, that's okay.
Keep looking. Ooh.
Yeah, keep looking.
I'm gonna find that.
You gonna find it?
Yeah, look over there.
Look.
Look over there.
Ooh, did you find another one?
Come on. Let me take a look here.
Good job, buddy. Okay, I think that's about it except for Rachel's special egg. Hi. William, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Say, I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Hi. Happy Easter. Okay.